You might be able to see that the floor mats in this car are long gone, and I think that's because they were in bad shape. And so I bought these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda, Avery Automats. They've been getting dirty for over 35 years, just like me, except I don't have a website dedicated to my accolades. But they make custom floor mats that are supposed to be an OEM fit for your car. So I thought maybe I'd rejuvenate the interior with these bad boys. Let's see if they work. So as per usual, they come nicely wrapped here, and might have to do a little flattening because I pulled them out of the box and let them sit there. But I did not go with the super high-end version here. I kind of went with the affordable version because this is an affordable vehicle right there. And what I can tell you is that I love it. The edge here is kind of like a really thick nylon material. The carpeting material here is kind of like an industrial, but pretty plush. Plusher than I would have thought. So normally I get like that velour, that really executive level of material because I like my bare feet sinking into the carpet, but this feels really, really nice. Now on the back side, I want to show you, we have this rubberized material, which is really grippy. It's not sticky, it's just very grippy, kind of like a rubberized foam. And then we have some other mats here. So it looks like that's the front. Looks like maybe this is the passenger side. We've got the grommet right there. That is a metal grommet. So that should work with the OE hook on the floor. Here are the ones for the rear. So it looks like, oh, they're different. They're slightly different. So hopefully we'll put those in the right place. All right, let's try them out. All right. The first thing that I have discovered here is that there's a grommet on the driver's side. There's also that rest pedal, that dead pedal. So the one that I just called out for being the passenger side obviously makes more sense that the grommet would be here on the driver's side, but you don't have to be smart to have a YouTube channel. It says it right in the terms and conditions. Well, man, that looks good. Perfect match. Color is actually even a little bit darker than these 20-year-old carpets there, but yeah, that's going to feel good, especially because I just stoned the bottom of my feet. So I've got really nice purple skin on the bottom of my feet. All right, let's put the rest in and see if they look equally as good. All right, the rest of the mats are in, and what I love about these touring level mats is they just drop in. They're the perfect fit, custom cut, no issues with universal floor mats that really don't fit. I mean, just drop that sucker in there, fits perfectly, looks great, will pamper my feet. And I love these because they're actually plusher and softer than I expected, and they are the affordable level ones. So if you want to pick up a set of custom mats for your car, freshen up those worn out, dirt-soaked, mud-soaked, balding floor mats, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda with Project Overlander. Out.